Hi, I'm David, the president of the Michigan Mars Rover Team. In this presentation, we'll teach you more about the team and tell you how you can join. So what is MRover? We are a multidisciplinary robotics team. Every single year, we design, build, and test a brand new rover to compete at the University Rover Challenge. This year, we have about 80 active members.
Hi, I'm Isabel, Chief Engineer this year. This is our 2019-2020 rover, Lucy. For our competition, we attend the University Rover Challenge. We've been going since 2009. It's held at the Mars Desert Research Station out in Utah. In 2019, we placed 7th, and in 2020, even though the competition was canceled, we had the highest system acceptance review score in the world.
So with such a large team, we have a very complex team structure. We have an executive board, and we have several technical branches, including the mechanical branch, science, electrical, and software. Each branch is made up of several sub-teams, and we also have a systems engineer and a group of senior advising mentors.
I'm Michael Collada, and I am the mechanical branch lead for this year. The mechanical branch is divided into 4 sub-teams. The first is chassis and mounts, which builds the chassis and accessory hardware. Our mobility team, which develops our wheels and suspension. Our sample acquisition team that collects soil samples for onboard analysis. And our robotic arm, which manipulates objects for completing our tasks in competition.
Hi, I'm Nick Cahill, and I'm the electrical branch lead. The electrical branch consists of 3 sub-teams: power, embedded hardware, and communications. Power is in charge of providing power to all components on the rover and designing the electronics box. Embedded hardware designs custom printed circuit boards and manages signals. Communications is responsible for keeping the rover connected to the base station via radio.
Hi, I'm Raymond, and I am the software branch lead. The software branch consists of 5 different sub-teams. The first 2 are shown here. Teleoperation is responsible for writing software that turns user input from the operators into rover control commands. Embedded software is the sub-team that is responsible for programming hardware-related software, like motor controllers and science sensors. There are 3 software sub-teams dedicated to tackling the autonomy task in the URC competition: localization, perception, and navigation. Localization writes software that determines where the rover is using sensors. Perception determines where the target is and obstacles within the rover's path using sensors as well. Navigation takes data from both localization and perception to plan a safe path between the rover and its target.
Hi, I'm Matt Junkin, and I'm the science branch lead. The science branch is divided into 2 sub-teams: Science, where we find and test new life detection methods, and Instruments and Sample Handling, where we create the actual devices that perform the tests on board the rover.
Hi, I'm Grace, and I'm the Corporate Relations Officer this year. The business team is responsible for researching and setting up corporate sponsorships and grants, as well as keeping the website up to date and organizing recruitment events.
And lastly, we have a lot of fun. You don't need any experience to join a team. We have a great group of mentors. We do community outreach, and we also host social events. So what's next? Fill out our join form on our website, mrover.org, to be added to the email list. And look out for upcoming virtual recruitment events and info sessions. Thanks for watching.